Sun has just gone in. I am very, very tired of reading. I've done a lot of chess work. I don't want to watch the Master Game. I want to save those episodes because they're amazing. So what else could we put on? Let's go for episode 4. After all, it can't get any worse, can it?
In Cardiff's former coal exchange, 6 more of the UK's rising chess stars are about to fight it out in the second heat.
Don't do it. You don't know what you're letting yourself in for. Run away as fast as you can.
I like to bring drama. I like to bring the energy to chess.
Come on, give it a chance. As people said, it's going to get better. Maybe this time they don't have silly nicknames.
I'm the action man.
I've got a lucky charm in chess.
Lucky charm in chess? I could do with some of that myself. What's your lucky charm?
It's my lucky chess socks. My girlfriend's mum got me for Christmas, so I'm hoping they'll pull through for this contest.
That's where I've been going wrong. I haven't been wearing my chess socks. Come on, Craig the Python. My money's on you.
On board 3,
All right.
it's Kel,
Come on here.
the self-described action man. He's taking on Craig, known as the Python. I should explain that's because he likes to slowly suffocate his opponents on the board.
Ah, thanks for that, Sue.
Interesting.
Well, first they had to play a 10-minute rapid game, and my man, the Sock Man, is playing Action Man. Come on, Sock Man.
And here comes Craig's queen. He's definitely got the upper hand in these opening exchanges.
Yes, go on, Sock Man. Sock it to him, Python style. But what's happening in the other games?
Over on board 2, a feline face-off is taking place.
Patient predator Beamer versus Nessie the Panther.
Oh God, here we go with those nicknames again.
Bishop suddenly threatening Nessie's queen. Nessie needs to run away with that queen, otherwise she'll lose it.
Or she'll spot that, the queen's hanging.
But she's moving her bishop instead. Oh my God, oh my God, David, I cannot believe my eyes.
Oh, you just hung your queen mid-bud. Anyway, let's get back to the other match. Let's get back to Sock Man versus Action Man. Come on, Sock Man.
Do it, let's do it.
What's Action Man doing? He's singing. Are you allowed to do that? Are you allowed to sing at your opponent?
Do it, let's do it.
I think I'd have grounds to complain if my opponent was stood there going, let's do it, let's do it. What an annoying bloke.
Do it, let's do it.
And at the end here, we've got Tana and Richie, master tacticians.
Don't cover everybody. Let's get back to the main game.
That is a grandmaster move. They like to pretend that they're looking at things from different angles.
He's pressurizing Craig. Let's do it. He wants action.
Sock Man's not going to be put off by that.
My worst type of opponents are really aggressive players. I just hate it when players just come at you full gung-ho. It can be quite intimidating.
Oh, why is it whenever I put 20 quid on somebody, they always lose?
Wow, and the moves are now coming really fast. The players are speeding up.
Speed up if you're not used to it. Take your time. Balance your time correctly. Don't get pushed into making blunders. And rub your magic socks.
And I've actually been playing chess for over 20 years.
You should know not to sing and dance at your opponent. But if you've been playing chess for 20 years, have you got any tips you can pass on?
I do take a lot of risk in chess. I try to win.
Right, try to win. I'll make a note of that. That's where I've been going wrong all these years. I just sit there waiting for the board to open.
Yeah.
Craig struggling to cope with the speed.
Oh, not another one.
After that rampage, Craig's king has been caught in the corner. Its escape route has been cut off on this diagonal by Kel's queen. All Kel needs to do now is bring his rook down, and Craig's king will be defeated.
Give up!
Sock Man doesn't give up.
Never.
Keep fighting.
Checkmate.
Oh, I give up. Anyway, bring in Sue Perkins. Oh, hold on, I forgot. David's got a joke for us.
Kel takes the win. We should rename him Keller Instinct.
Keller instinct. I love that.
Let's bring Sue Perkins in for some Sue wisdom.
You don't have to be a chess expert to understand what's going on here. I can sense all the variables in the game just from the energy and the atmosphere that's constantly shifting from
Why am I doing this? Why? I'm going to fold my socks up, I'm going to summarise the rest of it, and then I'm going to go downstairs and do something else.
You wanted it spicy, I'll give you it.
Now we've already had that game. So all those people played each other. They went to that stupid balcony where Sue promised champagne and it didn't arrive. And then there was the playoff between Sock Man and the Catwoman. And this is how the Catwoman opened.
All the best.
Anthony, we've seen the handshake, but Nessie starting with one of her corner pawns.
D4, H6. But to be fair, she ended up in a better position. Anyway, Countwoman went home. The other man, Sockman, went to the balcony of dreams. Yay, right, that's it. Off you go.